Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a photo album in PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint app. If PowerPoint is already installed on your computer, simply launch it and wait for the main window to load. This is where you'll create and organize your presentation. And in this case, PowerPoint will help you automatically turn a group of images into a photo album. Give it a moment to fully open before moving on, especially if your device is loading slowly. Once PowerPoint is open, look to the top of the screen and click on Insert. The Insert tab is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding different types of content into a presentation, such as pictures, charts, text boxes, and more. Since a photo album is built from images, this is the section you'll need to use. After opening the Insert tab, click on Photo Album. This option is designed specifically to help you build a presentation from multiple pictures more quickly than adding each image one at a time. When you select it, PowerPoint will open the photo album setup window where you can begin choosing the images you want to include. Next, click on File or the Disk option to browse for your pictures. This opens your file selection window so you can locate the folder where your images are stored. If you already have your photos organized in one place, this step will be much faster and easier. It's a good idea to make sure your images are ready beforehand so you can select them without interruption. Now select the sample photos you want to use for the album. You can choose the images that should appear in the presentation, and PowerPoint will place them into the album for you. Take a moment here to confirm you've picked the correct files, since these images will become the main content of your slides. If the photos are arranged clearly in your folder, it can also help keep your album more organized from the start. Finally, click on Create. PowerPoint will automatically generate a photo album presentation using the images you selected. Each picture will be added into the presentation as part of the album structure, saving you time and effort compared to building it manually. Once the album is created, you can review the slides and continue editing if needed. And that's how to create a photo album in PowerPoint. With just a few clicks, you can turn a collection of images into a clean, organized presentation ready to share.